ready to celebrate your leads and clients like never before. Let's dive into setting up automated birthday messages in Follow Up Boss. First, navigate to the admin section in Follow Up Boss by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the top right corner, then selecting Admin from the drop-down menu. Next, on the left-hand sidebar within the admin section, locate and click on the automation option. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's create our birthday automation. Click on the Add Automation button to start the process. It's usually blue and clearly visible. Give your automation a descriptive name like birthday greetings, then set the trigger to contact anniversary and select the birthday option in the drop-down menu. Now, it's time to define your action. You can choose to send an email or a text message. For an email, select Send Email, and for a text message, select Send Text. Craft your message. Write a warm, personalized birthday greeting. Use merge fields like first_name to automatically insert the lead's first name. You might say, Happy birthday, first_name. We hope you have a fantastic day. Set your desired timing. For example, you might want the message to send at 9 a.m. on their birthday. Finally, be sure to test your automation by manually triggering it on a test contact to ensure everything is working perfectly. That's it. You're done.